Good morning, everyone. It's Tuesday, February 23rd. And today, just like yesterday, our classwork is on No Red Ink. Once you click the assignment in Google Classroom, it's going to bring you to this page. Make sure you click Login with Google, and then you'll choose your email. Once you click that, it should bring you straight to No Red Ink. Once you're here, you'll see the assignment for today, Tuesday, 2/23 classwork. It has 2 topics and is due at 5 p.m. If you see this, that means that you did not complete the classwork for yesterday. You did not earn any grade, nor did you get any participation points. You should complete it. Now, for today's classwork, click this blue button, and you'll see the 2 topics that you are going to practice today. Recognizing titles of long form and short form works, which are major and minor works, and formatting titles. Now, once you click yours, it should say begin. Click it. You see the lesson and the practice. Just like yesterday, always read through the lesson. It gives you very helpful hints about the grammar practice you're about to complete. Exit out of the lesson once you've read it, and then start your practice. Okay? Make sure that you read the question and then do your best to answer. So, is the highlighted title a short form or long form work? Remember, short form works are things like songs, magazine articles, TV episodes, and long form works are things like books, movies, the title of a magazine. Okay? So here goes. SpongeBob SquarePants played the song Call Me Maybe on his that's funny, sorry, on his guitar and posted the video on YouTube. All right. Is this a long form work or a short form work? Pretty sure songs are short form works, so I would click short form. However, if you are unsure and you want to double check before you answer the question, you can go back to your Google Classroom and click on the helpful tips. Here's where you'll find the helpful tips for today, Tuesday, 2/23. Click this document and it'll open up and show you things that can help you. In this document, this video that shows you how to log in will be linked right here. I also include a nice chart that has lots of examples of long form or major works and short form or minor works. Okay? And then there is the lesson for you to review, and you can also see some more examples. Make sure that you use the resources that we have laid out for you. Do your best and have a great day.